This video is about how to install Drupal using Lando. Before starting this video, I want to give a small introduction about what Lando is. Lando is a free open source cross-platform local development environment and DevOps tool built on Docker container technology. For installation of this Lando in your local machine, you have to go through the documentation which is provided by Lando. It has a system requirement to install Docker Engine because it is built on Docker container technology. So let's begin with the installation of Drupal. I will use my composer.json file for installation of Drupal, and I am using Drupal recommended composer.json for Drupal 9 project, and I have a Lando file. I have given the name as AbhayPy. You can give any name over here. So my recipe is Drupal 9. The advantage of using Drupal 9 recipe is that the LAMP environment is already pre-built in this Drupal 9 recipe. For example, Apache, Linux, MySQL, and PHP. Since Drupal 9 requires PHP more than 7.3, I will state this in the configuration of the PHP, and I will install my Drupal project inside the web root of Drupal 9 recipe. So this folder will be automatically created when we run our command for Lando. So I am giving the proxy for my app server as AbhayPy and .lando.site, because lando.site, it comes with the default domain and it has some SSL certificate which also gives flexibility for local HTTPS connectivity. And I am using the services for app server to build my script for composer install in this root directory, and the web directory will be residing inside my root directory itself. And I am giving the configuration for my database services as default, and I can give this name anything. Like for example, I can give this thing as AbhayPy, and this will be used as a host in your database service. I'm using the type of MySQL 5.7, and I will keep the port forward to true, and I will keep the configuration which is given by Lando recipe. And for starting this Lando in your local machine, you have to navigate to the folder, the root folder where .lando file is residing. So as you can see, here is my lando.yaml file. So for starting this recipe, you have to type lando start. So as you can see, it might take time to install Lando in my local machine depending on the internet usage. So I will pause this video at this moment and I will come back once the installation is proceed and it's completed. As you can see now, my project dependency for the Drupal is already been installed by Lando. So all the project dependencies which is required for Drupal 9 has been installed automatically using Lando, and these are the URLs or app servers which is provided by Lando to use this URL to navigate to your website. So I will open this, copy this link, and I will open it in my browser. As you can see, Drupal installation window is started, and I will click on save and continue. I will choose the profile as standard and I will click on save and continue. So for this database name, username, password, and localhost as a host has to be given by Lando, and you can find that thing using typing this following command as lando info. Lando info will give you the information about the configuration that you have done for your project. So I can see my hostname is AbhayPi over here, which is given by Lando, and I will copy that thing and I will paste that host name in my host, and I will go down, and as you can see the port is already been 3306, so you don't have to update that port, and my username and password for database is MySQL and MySQL, and the database name is database, which is already been created by Lando. So I will just copy those username, password and database name which is shown in Lando info. I will copy and paste all the passwords and username and host name, and I will click on save and continue. It might take some time for Lando to work on this connectivity since it's my first installation. Now I will pause this video and I will come back. As you can see, Drupal installation is almost getting completed, and I will wait for the configure site settings of my Drupal. As you can see, the configuration of my site is being shown by Drupal 9.03 at this date, 21st of August 2020. I will add my site name and my details for my website, and the username will be added by me for this local configuration, and I will set the default country as Philippines, and I will set the default time zone as it is, and I will click on check for updates automatically and receive email notification as it is. I will keep it as it is, and I will click on save and continue. Once the configuration is done, Drupal will navigate you automatically to the administrator section of the website. Now Drupal is giving us a message for congratulations, you installed Drupal. So this is how you will install Drupal using Lando. I can easily navigate to my administrator menu section, and I can log out and I can log back in again. And for stopping the Lando service in your local machine is you can use the command as Lando stop. It will spin down all the services like database, PHP, LAMP services all at once, and for starting the service you can type Lando start. As all the services are already been installed, it will not take much time to start the service of your project. So this is how you will install Drupal using Lando in your local development environment. Thank you so much for watching this video.